Hi friends, this is Manjunath Badgi. Welcome to Lekhya Varsha Academy, placed in Vijayanagar, Bangalore. As you may be knowing, the prelims is on 28th May and this is like last minute preparation for the exam, and I will be solving some problems related to Csat, which I think are the most probable ones. Now let's see the first one. Here is your very first problem. A bag A has 3 balls labeled 1, 3 and 5. Bag B has 3 balls labeled 2, 4 and 6. If one ball is drawn from each bag, how many different values are possible for the sum of the two numbers on the balls? Your options are 4, 5, 6 and 7. Friends, he will be concentrating more on the numbers which are less than 10, and here is a problem wherein the answer lies below 10. Okay, so we have got 3 bags here, 2 bags A and B. In each bag we have got 3 balls, and in bag A they are labeled 1, 3 and 5, they are meaning odd numbers, and in bag B their balls are numbered 2, 4, 6, which are even numbers, right? Now we are drawing one ball from each of them, and he is asking us to find out, we want the sum, okay, and sums should be different, maximum how many different sums that we can obtain, that's the meaning of this. So bag A has 1, 3, 5. If you take from bag A, if you get a ball which is labeled 1, and from bag B, assuming we took out a ball which is labeled 2, 1, 2. So these are the different combinations, in fact 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 6, right? Then first bag, that is bag A 3, second bag 2, or 3, 4, 3, 6, then it will be 5, 2, 5, 4, 5, 6. These are the different possible combinations, but here every time you are not getting a different sums here. 1 and 2 together it is 3, 1 and 4 together 5, 1 and 6 together 7, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 is already there, so we don't want this because it is already there. 3 and 4 together 7, that also we don't want because already we have written 7. 3 and 6, yes, we can write 9. 5 and 2, 7 is already there, we don't want this. 5 plus 4, 9 is already there. 5 plus 6, 11. So all these 5 are the different sums. So the sums can be 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11, meaning 5 different sums you can obtain, the sum of the two numbers on the balls. Okay, how many different values are possible? These are the different possible values for the sum of the two numbers. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the final answer is 5. The final answer is 5 here. Moving on to the next problem. Second one, how many digits are in the product 4 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 10? Okay, 4 should be multiplied 5 times, 10 should be multiplied 5 should be multiplied 10 times and we want the product, their product, and how much we will get that product is not important. We are concerned with only the digits, the number of digits in that product. Your options are 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay. If I write 10 square, 10 square is 100, 10 cube, 10 into 10 into 10, 1000. What is the meaning of this? The meaning, this will talk about the number of zeros that we will get. 2 here, in front of 1 there are 2 zeros. 3 here, in front of 1, 3 zeros. So this is the trick to find out the number of zeros that we can get. Okay, but here we are not concerned with only the number of zeros, we are concerned with the total number of digits including zeros, right? So 4 to the power 5, this 4 can be written like 2 square into 5 to the power 10. This 2 as it is, 2 into 5, 10, 5 to the power 10. So since the indices are same, that is powers are same, you can multiply the bases. 2 into 5, 10. So the final answer is 10 to the power 10. 10 to the power 10. In this we will come across 10 zeros in front of 1. 10 to the power 10, meaning in front of 1 you will get to see 10 zeros. But we are not concerned with only the number of zeros, we are concerned with the total number of digits. So 10 zeros plus 1, don't forget this, okay, 1 is also there. So 10 zeros you will come across along with 1, meaning the total number of digits will be 11. The total number of digits will be 11, right? So this is everything about this problem. So the final answer is 11, the total number of digits. If we ask you the total number of zeros, then the answer will be 3. I mean third option, 10. Moving on to the next one, what is the 10th digit of 7 to the power 2011? So 7 should be multiplied how many times? 2011 times. And once you multiply 7 2011 times, whatever answer you get, in that answer we are concerned with only the digit in the 10th place, right? And your options are 0, 1, 3 and 4. These are the options. Now let's see how to solve this problem. If you multiply 7 only one time, you will get 7 only. If you multiply 2 times, 7 sevens are 49. 3 times, 343. 4 times, 7 threes are 21. In the end, you will come across 1. Now let us concentrate only the last digit first, because in Csat he had asked the digit in the unit place. Okay, we will do both. Okay, let us do both here. How to find out the digit in the unit place and how to find out the digit in the 10th place. Let me do both in this problem, but here the question asked is on the digit in the 10th place, right? But let us first concentrate on the digit in the unit place. 7931. If you multiply again, 7 ones are 7. In the end again 7 will come, meaning 7931, 7931. This group will keep on repeating. This group will keep on repeating. First we will have to get ready with the group. Okay, 7931, 7931, it's a group of 4 items. Divide this 2011 by the number of items in the group. 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 3, the remainder is 3. Okay, now how to take a call on this 3, how to decide the final answer? So we are concerned with only the remainder here. 3 is the remainder. So check which is the third item in the group. First item 7, second item 9, third item 3. This is the digit in the unit place. This is how we will have to find out, right? The digit in the unit place will be 3. Okay, if you multiply 7 to the 11 times, and if you check only the digit in the last place, it will be surely 3. This is how we must obtain the digit in the unit place. If the remainder is 0, assuming the remainder is 0, then you will have to go to the last item in the group. Which is the last item? 1. If the remainder is 1, first item in the group 7. If the remainder is 2, second item in the group 9. If here the remainder is 3, third item in the group, that is 3. This is the whole story about the digit in the unit place. Now let us concentrate on 10th place, because in this problem he is asking us to concentrate on only 10th place. Okay, so first item, second item, third item. If you check out the third item, in the 10th place we have got 4. Even if you take this one 5, 6, 7, 8, check this item, third item, again you will come across 4. Okay, so 10th place is always 4 in any group, the third item, right? Therefore the final answer is 4. Therefore the final answer is 4. 4 is there in the 10th place. Okay, digit unit place 3, 10th place 4. Once you expand this, right? Moving on to the next one. How many 4-digit positive integers have 4 different digits where the leading digit is not 0? What do you mean by leading digit? Leading digit meaning in the beginning. Leading digit is not 0. In the beginning we are not allowed to have 0. If you write 0 in the beginning, then it cannot become a 4-digit number. Okay, that is also equally true. And the integer is a multiple of 5. When we can say that it is a multiple of 5? When 5 is there in the end. Okay, 5 can be there in the end, only then we can say it is a multiple of 5, and even you can have 0 also in the end. Okay, once we say that it is a multiple of 5, 5 can come in the end, 0 can also come in the end. Okay, and 5 is the largest digit. 5 is the largest digit. What is the meaning? You are not allowed to use 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we are allowed to use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the max, right? And your options are 24, 48, 60, 108. These are the options. Now let's see how to solve this problem. Four digit positive integers, 4 digited, 1, 2, 3, 4 digited. So we can have the digits allowed are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the digits allowed. You can have 0 in the end. Even if you write 0 in the end, it is divisible by 5, meaning multiple of 5. Or you can have 5 in the end. Even if you write 0 in the end, no problem. Even if you write 5 in the end, no problem. Okay, 0 or 5. Once you write 0 here, that is the end of this 0. 0 is made fixed, and he is saying different digits, meaning you are not allowed to use again this 0 anywhere in these 3 boxes, right? So it only goes to say that without repetitions. Okay, different digits we are supposed to use. There is only one 0, and that is made fixed in the last place. Now you are left out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there with us to fill up these 3 boxes. Out of these 5, any of the 5 can come here. This box can be filled in 5 different ways. And means always multiplication. And after filling up this box with either of these 5 digits, you will be left out with only 4 digits. Okay, out of these 5, one is gone here. Now you are left with only 4, and any of those 4 can appear here. This box can be filled in 4 different ways. And once you fill up this box using those remaining 4 digits, you will be left out with only 3 digits. And out of those, any of those remaining 3 digits can appear here, right? So 0 is made fixed here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of these 5, any of the 5 can come here. And after filling up this box with either of these 5, you will be left out with only 4 digits, and any of the 4 can come here. And after writing any of the digits here, you will be left with only 3 digits, and we can fill up this box with any of the 3 remaining digits. 5 into 4 into 3, 5 4s are 20, 3s are 60. Or means always plus. These are the 2 crucial words, dear friends. And means always multiplication, or means always addition. Okay. Now or means plus, or means again it is a fresh case. Again we have been given all the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this time we are making 5 fixed in the last place. That is the end of that 5. There is only one 5, and that is made fixed in the last place. Now forget this place, forget this 5. Now we are left with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you write 0 here in the beginning? No. That is clearly mentioned in the problem. Okay. 0 should not lead, meaning 0 is ruled out. If you write 0, then it will become only 3-digit number, right? Therefore 0 is not allowed in the very first place. So if you neglect this 0, then any of these 4 can come here. You can write 1 here, you can write 2 here, you can write 3, you can write 4. This box can be filled in 4 different ways. So any of these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can write here. Now you are left out with 3 digits. Out of 4 we wrote 1. Remaining 3 can come here. Not only those remaining 3, 0 can also appear here. So this box can also be filled in 4 different ways. Remaining 3 along with 0, 4. And after that, any of the remaining 3, 4 into 4 into 3, 4, 4s are 16, 3s are 48. 60 plus 48. 60 plus 48, the final answer is 108. The final answer is 108. Ending with 0, you can write 60 different 4-digit numbers. Ending with 5, you can write down 48 different 4-digit numbers. Okay, wherein 5 is the largest digit that can be used. Second, without repetitions. Third, all the numbers should be different. Okay, so in all you can write 108 numbers, and here important words are and means multiplication, or means addition. These are the two crucial words for Csat, and many questions have been asked, okay, in the previous year question papers on only these two words, right? So the final answer is 108. It is not 48, it is 108. Okay, the correct answer is 108. This is everything about this problem. Moving on to the next one. Problem number 5. A man invested 100 rupees. A man invested 100 rupees for 100 rupees is his investment, and he has invested this 100 rupees for 2 years. During the first year, he suffered 15% loss. 15% loss he suffered in the first year. And second year, what happened? But during the second year, the remaining investment showed a 20% gain, 20% profit. Okay. Over the 2-year period, what was the change in his investment? What was the change in his investment? Your options are 5% loss, 2% loss, 1% gain, 2% gain. These are the options given. So he has invested 100 rupees. First year he suffered a loss. How much loss? 15% loss. But second year, on the remaining investment, he gained 20%. Now what happened overall in the last 2 years, right? So first it is assuming first his investment in the beginning, at the start 100 rupees, 15% loss. 15% loss means for every 100 rupees, 15 rupees loss. So now it is 85 remaining investment. And the second year, on this remaining investment, he is making a profit of 20%, 20% gain. How do you find out 20% quickly? From the right hand side, after one digit, if you give the point, it will get you 10%. After one digit from the right hand side, give the point. 8.5 is 10%. Double of this 20%, which is 17 rupees. Meaning now his investment stands at 102. It was 100 and now it is, after 2 years, now it became 102. 100 has become 102, meaning 2 rupees is his gain. And this gain or loss is always on the original figure. Originally it was only 100. So for every 100 rupees of his investment, he is gaining 2 rupees. For every 100 rupees means per 100. Per 100 means per cent. So 2% is his gain. That is the final answer. 2% is his gain. The last option should be marked, right? Same type, one problem is asked in the last year 2022. Okay, the price of a commodity, price of a product is first increased by 20%, then decreased by 25%. In the end, again it is increased by 10%. So what happened in the end? So it is on the same lines. Moving on to the next one, it's a problem on averages. Average is also one of the important topics for CSAT, and friends, you will have to analyze the question papers very cleanly. Okay, last year 2022 he has not asked even one question on ratios, but it looks like he is asking you too many questions on ratios. Okay, 2022 ratios, no questions have been asked. 2021 on ratios, only one, meaning it is on the decline. Okay, ratios are on the decline, so don't give too much importance to ratios, especially in those 3 crucial hours between after paper 1 and between 11:30 and 2:30, right? So in those 3 hours, don't invest too much time on ratios. Okay, now this is a problem on averages. Average is important. The average age is a problem on mixture of average and ages. Average age of 6 people in room A is 40, and the average age of 4 people in room B is 25, right? And the two groups are combined. What is the average age of all the people, meaning both the groups together? So this is a problem on, the technical term for this is weighted average. This is a problem on basically weighted average. Now let's see how to solve this problem. Average age of 6 people in room A, room B. In room A we have 6 people and all are on an average 40 each. 6 into 46, 4s are 24. Coming to room B, there are 4 people and on an average each is of 25 year. 25 4s are 100. Total it is 340. Total it is 340. And how many persons are there? 6 plus 4, 10 persons are there. 10 persons, total age is 340. Okay. Total 340 total age, divide by number of persons, 0 will get out. The final answer is 34. So on an average, each and every person is of 34-year-old, both the groups together, right? So the final answer is 34. This is basically a problem on weighted average. Okay. So average is also an important topic which you will have to note, and most probably this is the last problem. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. Take care. I wish you all the best. Thank you.